In this video, I'll show you how you can connect Questrade to your TradingView account. What you want to do is head over to tradingview.com and from in here go to the supercharts. Now once you're on the supercharts, you just want to select any kind of thing that you want to trade. Come down to the bottom where it says trading panel and open up the trading panel. Then using this line right here, you can make it bigger or smaller, but what you want to do is just look for Questrade. So click on all brokers if you don't see it right here, come in here, and then you just want to look for it. Now you can see it's right here for me, so I'm gonna simply press on it and press connect. Now once you press connect, it's gonna ask you to log into your Questrade account and you might need to add your API key, and it's gonna tell you how you can do that, so just follow the instructions. Once you've done that, it will now be on your trading panel here and you can see your balance and your trades and everything like that. And then you'll be able to trade directly inside of TradingView using your Questrade account. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.